Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание в моей коробке для обеда. Страница 46-47. English, Spotlight 3. Homework in my lunchbox. Page number 46-47. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 46. 46. In my lunch box. Exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. Meat, potatoes, biscuits, milk, cake, orange juice, pasta, carrots, sausages, rice, popcorn, Coke. Repeat once more, please. Meat, potatoes, biscuits, milk, cake, orange juice, pasta, carrots, sausages, rice, popcorn, Coke. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2, chit-chat. Can I have some meat and potatoes, please? Here you are. Thank you. Разговор. Can I have some meat and potatoes, please? Here you are. Thank you. Can I have some biscuits and Coke, please? Here you are. Thank you. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and complete. Use some or any. Прочитай и заполни. Используй some и any. I have got some biscuits. Have you got any milk? I haven't got any Coke. But, can I have some milk, please? She's got some biscuits. They haven't got any orange juice. Have they got any pasta? He's got some popcorn. We haven't got any Coke. Have you got any milk? They got some cake. I haven't got any rice. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 47. 47. Exercise number 4. Read and complete the shopping list for Karen. Прочитайте и заполните список покупок для Карен. Karen. We've got some eggs, but we haven't got any chicken. We've got some milk, but we haven't got any ice cream. We've got some carrots and potatoes, but we need some apples and some bananas. David. The answer: ice cream, apples, bananas. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Now write a note for your mother. А теперь напиши записку для своей мамы. Mom, we've got some cakes, but we haven't got any biscuits. We've got some apple juice, but we haven't got any orange juice. We've got some cheese and meat, but we need some eggs. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. What's in your lunch box? Choose 3 things and draw. Then talk with your friend. Что в твоей коробке для обеда? Выбери 3 продукта и нарисуй. Затем поговори со своим другом. I've got some cheese. Have you got any cheese? Yes, I've got some cheese too. No, I haven't got any cheese. I've got some burgers. Have you got any burgers? Yes, I've got some burgers too. I've got some bananas. Have you got any bananas? No, I haven't got any bananas. I've got some milk. Have you got any milk? Yes, I've got some milk too. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.